Ladies and gentlemen, Brian again here. It's the time to fly again, so I'm heading to the Muscat airport. On the way to the airport, I see a beautiful mosque, really beautiful, and this is my first time to see it because I was heading to the airport from different direction of Muscat. Primeclass Lounge is the place I would like to introduce to all of you this time. I visit this lounge, I would say, over than 12 times. For me, this is the best airport lounge I have visited so far. The reception is very nice as usual, and the lounge is very sizable with quite a lot of traditional decoration as well. This time, I take my time to walk around to do some filming, and I try to cover every corner of the lounge. Let's take a look of the food buffet first. If you have visited other lounges in other parts of the world, such as in Europe, they may not have that much of selection of food like this lounge. I entered this lounge with a priority pass, so that is for free of charge. If you want to visit this lounge by pay-in, it costs you 12 Omani Rial. However, I think that is really value for money, because if you just order a biryani rice in any restaurant in the airport, it may cost you 8 Omani Rial already. My favorite tonight is the Turkish style chicken, this one. The freshness and the quality of the food is really good here, such as my favorite tabulat and hummus, very freshly made. Let's have a look of the recreation area. And soft drink is here again. That is not just a lounge, it's just like a club. There is a game room with some table football as well. Another good part of this lounge is they have food everywhere. Oman is a very children-friendly country, so of course, in the lounge, they also have a children playroom as well. I am going to get some drinks and food now. Great, I arrived in the bar already and I asked for a beer. I think I want to have a Budweiser with a Amstel glass. The sitting area is huge and very comfortable. There is couches and table. And now it's for me to enjoy my meal. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. I'm heading back to Hong Kong. See you next time.